In this video, I'll show you how to solve the ALEKS problem called finding the slope and y-intercept of a line given its equation in the form ax plus by equals c. In this problem, you're going to be given the equation of a line and you're asked to determine the y-intercept and the slope of that line. And the challenge with this problem is that the equation is not going to be written in the conventional form. So the conventional form for this type of equation is y equals mx plus b. And in this version, or this form of the equation, b is our y-intercept and m is our slope. And so our job here is to take the equation that's been given to us and do some algebra and convert it into this format right here. I'm going to rewrite the equation down here just to give myself a little bit more space. 6x plus 2y equals -4. That's the equation I've been provided with. And what I'm going to do is take this equation and then just work on converting it into this particular format. So the first thing that I want to do is get the y variable isolated on the left-hand side of the equal sign. Right now the y is on the left side, but I've also got that 6x term over there. So I'm going to begin by moving the 6x term over to the right side of the equation. I'll do that by subtracting 6x from both sides. That leaves me with 2y equals -4 minus 6x. So it's looking more like this version of the equation. The next thing that I want to do is really isolate the y. So I want to get rid of the 2 that's in front of it. And I'm going to do that by dividing both sides of the equation by 2. I'm going to divide every term in this equation by 2. That's going to give me y equals -2 minus 3x. So now it's looking really similar to the generic form of the equation. The last thing that I'm going to do, just to try to make things easier on my eyes, is just to rearrange or reorder the terms on the right-hand side. In the, goal here is that we want the mx term to be followed by the b. So we want this term with the x. We want that to be on the left-hand side of on the left side of the right side of the equation, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to reorder the things on the right-hand side. 3x minus 2, and again, all I'm doing is just reordering these guys. And looking at the equation in this form, it matches the original form of the equation where the slope is -3 and the y-intercept is -2.